Bitcoin is at a critical point in multiple charts, which I need to show you today. Also, we do have a big announcement potentially coming in the next few days, which is going to absolutely change everything for Bitcoin and crypto, guys. So make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it. And what you can see on the 4-hourly time frame, guys, is that Bitcoin is right now inside of the orange box, the big support, and this one stretches all the way down to $63,000. So right now we're $500 from the edge of this orange box, and this is big support, but we do not want to lose this level, guys. If we lose this level, then again we could potentially go into the range of $63,000 to $58,000 and potentially consolidate right there. But I do think that there's a good chance that we are going to find support of this level and that we are going to see a bounce and that we're going to go up to higher prices eventually. Now on the weekly time frame, you know that we do have the very important 20-week moving average, this blue level right here, or this blue line, and this has actually rejected us on the weekly time frame. So these are some of the key things I am watching right now for the short term. If we can hold this level for Bitcoin, that would be really, really good. But why are we seeing a little bit of a pullback for Bitcoin? Well, traditional markets have had quite a decent pullback, actually. Traditional markets went down by 3% on the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq, I'm sure, is down even more. But you can see that my orange line is at least holding up the price of the traditional markets right now. So very important support level. Let's see if we can hold this level. But same thing here. If we lose this level, then potentially we're going to enter into a little bit of a pullback and consolidation, kind of like you saw right here. So you saw this red candle after making a new all-time high, red candle, 3 red candles, 3 red weeks. And then from that point, we went up higher. So let's see. We have, of course, the orange line as support, and then we have the consolidation at about 5,500, and then a big one also at 5,300. So let's keep our eyes on that. Now, a very big catalyst potentially coming here is the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. So this compares the Ethereum price to the Bitcoin price. So not in terms of US dollars, but what you can see here is that on the daily time frame, you do have a little bit of a formation here. So you can see this one right here, and you can see that we're consolidating, we're squeezing inside of this, and this one is going to have a breakout in the next few days. So either we're going to have it to the downside or to the upside, which essentially means that Ethereum is going to under or overperform against Bitcoin. And of course, with the catalyst being the spot Ethereum ETF, which is coming very, very soon, that is obviously going to be the catalyst that is going to bring us above or below this. We're going to see the breakout based on that. So let's keep our eyes on that as well, guys. Now, for some more macro news, so it has been reported that the President Joe Biden is not going to run for president, that they are going to replace him, and that is also sparking a little bit of, maybe that has also something to do with why Bitcoin and why traditional markets are going down, because obviously I think that Trump would be bullish for the markets in general, but maybe he is going to face someone else than Joe Biden. I think most people believe that if he faces Joe Biden, then Trump is going to win, but if he faces someone else, well, then we do not know. So yeah, that is basically what the market is reacting to right now. If Joe Biden is not going to run for president, someone else is going to do it, and who is going to win between that person and Donald Trump? So that is why there's a little bit of fear in the market right now, but I want to show you a couple of other charts. So the first one is that if you look at the average price of the spot ETF holders, it is currently at 58,200. And guess what? That is where we found support when we went down here for the Bitcoin price. So maybe that is going to act as a point of support, the average price of the spot Bitcoin ETF holders. Moving forward, we also have, what is this one? It is the daily issuance dominated in USD. And after having it retraces by about 70% of its 1-year average. So that makes sense because there's less Bitcoin being issued daily. So in general, it goes down by 70% of its 1-year average. But look at this, guys. You can see that whenever we hit this level, we typically see a bounce for the Bitcoin price, a big bounce for the Bitcoin price. This is on the weekly time frame, so it's over a long period of time. And you can see that we go down, we hit support, and then Bitcoin goes up. We have hit support multiple times here, and Bitcoin has gone up essentially every single time when we have hit it. So this is also something that is looking bullish for Bitcoin, so let's keep our eyes on that. Maybe even more bullish is that there are some sources saying that Donald Trump may announce Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset for the United States. Now, this is of course speculation. There's no sources claiming that he's going to announce it on, Trump to announce a Bitcoin strategic reserve in Nashville. So I don't know when this is going to happen in Nashville, but yeah, let's see. Let's see if he announces that. This is obviously going to have some kind of an effect on the Bitcoin price probably, but also what this means is that if he is elected, so that he first needs to be elected, obviously you can say whatever you want right now, but if he is elected and he announces Bitcoin as a strategic reserve asset, it means that the Bitcoin that the US government already holds, which is $14 billion, well, they're going to keep holding that. So that is absolutely fine and potentially even buy more. So that is all good, guys. Bullish stuff happening for crypto. I hope that you get to enjoy your weekend, and I will see you guys in the next one.